Good day, this is Randy LaFoy. We're going to try and get a quicker video of creating your e-portfolio and getting it started. And we'll be using Google Site on this. Now I'm going to jump into a couple things. First place you really want to be is in your Gmail. So open up your Gmail. If you don't have a Gmail account, you need to open up and create a Gmail account. Second thing, you'll be typing in a new tab, sites.google.com, and a screen like this will come up. Confusingly, there might be asking you want to use the new Google Sites or the Classic. You definitely have to use the Classic. We're going to click on Create, and be sure and stop this anytime you want to, because we've got a handout that goes. We're going to click on Browse the Gallery for more, and your teacher is giving you a code that you need to enter in. See this, your template comes up. Click on it, and then click on Select. You'll need to enter your name here. Be sure and keep it professional. And have it align with your class. Name here aligns perfectly down here. Not a robot, be sure and capitalize things. Click on Not a Robot, and then you have to bump to the top and click on Create. Takes a little bit, but it'll come up. There we are. My name, okay, 3 icons, edit, add pages, and the settings icon. Real quickly over on the left side, we've got you can edit any of these, but we're going to start here at the main home page. If I type it, nothing happens. I need to click on the edit icon. Here's your word processing, and I'm going to go here. I'm going to delete this because I said this is where you're going to put, don't forget, this is your welcoming page. I am glad you are visiting. So there's a spell check here, which is good for all of us. Highlighted it, change the font size, make it bold, change the color. You want to, you could create a link, you can align it to the middle, you get the idea. I'm at the very end, I'm going to click on Return, which gets me down here. Right, next thing I want to click on is Insert, because you want to put a picture in here. Click on Image. I'm going to upload an image, and I'm going to find one here. Here it is. Find it, open it. It's here. It's highlighted in yellow, which you can't see. All we're going to do is click OK. What the world is this? This is way too big. Click on it. SML, small, medium, large. Alignment, left, center, right. And now all of a sudden we've got a picture here that we can see. And again, I hit return a couple times. So I'm going to go a little bit lower than the picture. Click on Insert. And next thing you want to click on is YouTube. You have to paste this URL, and it is, just a second here. Here it is. I'm going to grab that URL from the top line, that YouTube you've uploaded or you've wanted to use. I'm pasting it here. You're going to change the size to make it a little bit bigger. And create speech. Click on Save. And it appears here. Now, I'm going to delete that, and I just want to show you because I think there's some placement issues. I go back and move my cursor right underneath that picture, then we'll move it to the left side, then we'll insert again. Because it shows you how you can align things. Again, you can't see the video, but it is here now. All right, go to the very end of the video, click return a couple times. Click on Insert. See all the things you can insert, maps, charts, but we're going to go to Google Drive, and I'm going to find a document that I've done. I have found it. Click on it, see how it's highlighted. Click on Select. You can change the size of it, change the title of it, and create a border around it. I can just click on Save. This is nice because if you can make the changes in this document, and it'll be fine. It'll always kind of be done. So I've gotten 3 things here. I've got a little title here, and here's my title here. making sure you know all about that. And then we're going to finally click on Save. And now we've got some words. I would say for your words, you can create those in your a Word document and just copy and paste them in. So I've got some text here, I've got a picture here, and I've got a video here. And that's it. You've created the quick steps to getting started with your Google site. Thanks for watching.